So Nokia recently launched the Nokia 7.2 and I've got it right here. But before we get into the unboxing, make sure to get subscribed to the channel to stay notified for further uploads. So once you're done, let's begin. So this is the standard box packaging, and inside we have the device itself. We also get a poor excuse for a earphone, a fast charger, user information, and that's it. Coming back to the device, it surprisingly feels way lighter than I expected, even though it has a glass back. Comparing it side by side with my OnePlus 6T, there is a definite difference in weight. The device comes in 3 color variants: ice, cyan green, and charcoal. I have the charcoal variant. So the design of the Nokia 7.2 is nothing brand new. It sports the teardrop display with a pretty thick chin which sports the Nokia branding. The screen is 6.3 inches Full HD Plus display. The sides have a matte finish with the back being all glass. The power button has a notification light which I really like. It has a rear fingerprint sensor which is okay, but was really irritating to set up. And I'm glad Nokia has not dropped the headphone jack. Now talking about the camera, which is its main selling point, it has 3 of them and has a big camera bump, and I personally didn't like the circular design. Moving on to the software and internals, it comes under the Android One program, so you will be getting the latest software updates for the next 2 years without any issues. And it is stock Android, so no bloatware. It has the Snapdragon 660, which is the last year's chipset and not the latest chipset, which is honestly a big letdown. It comes with either 4 or 6 GB RAM variant with inbuilt storage of 64 gigs. It's a dual SIM smartphone with expandable storage up to 512 gigs. So the device is priced about 17 to 18,000 rupees depending on which variant you buy, and this is a really competitive price bracket, and Nokia has dropped a solid phone. But is it enough? I don't know. With that, I'm gonna end this video, but stay tuned on the channel because I'll be dropping a full review after a few days of use. Until then, this is Vishal signing off. You're watching Half-Life.